Now that the equation is entered, you might have noticed at the top of my document I had an area whereby you could tell what the variables represented. Well, I also did this in the equation editor. Let me show you this feature. Let me scroll down to the bottom of this sheet. I have my cursor there. I'm just going to give it a little bit of space. And all I'm going to do is insert an equation. So I'll do it the same way. Insert and new equation. This time all I'm going to do is I'm going to use text. So I need the row symbol because row is equal to mass density. So let me find the row in my symbols, and there it is, row. I'm going to say equals and just type mass density. Now if I hit the enter key, the equation editor will close. I want to keep building on this particular equation. Therefore, I'm going to hold the shift key down and press the enter. Notice I get a new equation square, and now I can put the next item in, where G is equal to the gravitational constant. And what's nice is that it's all one equation, and as you can see, it's going to keep my margins lined up. So I'll do a shift enter and put the next item in. H equals the height of the liquid vessel. Shift enter. I'm going to use D sub 2. So to do that, I'll come up to the script. I need a subscript. I'll arrow over to the main. I'll say D arrow 2 right arrow equals, and this happens to be the diameter of the orifice hole. Shift enter. I need another subscript. I'll do a script, subscript. This time I'm going to click into that placeholder D. I'm going to arrow to the right 1. I'm going to arrow to the right equals the diameter of the pipe, and so on and so forth. I don't have to go any further. I'm sure you get the idea. When I'm all done with the cursor as it's shown, if I press the enter key, it releases the equation editor and I can now start typing text again. So I hope this helped you. One other thing before I leave you is that I'm using variables, but if you want to show your work, you want to start by showing the equation that you're using, and then you can further build that equation by replacing these variables with actual numbers. So you can show your work very easily using the word equation editor. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. So long.